Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this channel we will discuss about the geometry and mensuration. Today we will discuss about a problem related with cone. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification. Today's the question is, the curved surface area of a right circular cone is 12,320 centimeter square. If the radius of its base is 56 centimeter, find its height. In this question, the curved surface area of the cone is given, okay, that is 12,320 centimeter square, and radius, its base is circular in shape and its radius is given, that is 56 centimeter, okay. We have to find the height, this height, okay, this height we have to find. So please watch the video till the end so that the concept will be clear. So friends, let's come to the point. Here in the question it is given curved surface area of right circular cone, that is 12,320 centimeter square. Okay, I have drawn this cone for your convenience. What is curved surface area? Curved surface area means the area which is not plane, which is curved, okay. This circular part, this part is the curved area. So the area of that is given, of this cone is given 12,320 centimeters square, and its radius means this circular portion is there at the base. The radius of this circular portion is given 56 centimeter, okay. This radius is given 56 centimeter. We have to find the height, that is this height we have to find, okay. So we know that what is the formula of the curved surface area of cone, that is curved surface area of cone for pi r this L. Here R is the radius, this 56, okay, and L is this is the L, slant height, okay. Now we'll solve this and we'll find the L first. So curved surface area of cone is given, that is 12,320 equal to 22 by 7 into 56 into L, okay. 12,320 equal to, when we will multiply this will become 1232 by 7 into L. Now this will bring this side, then we will find the L. So L equal to 12320 into 7 by 1232, okay. This will get cancelled to 10. Now it will become 70. So L is equal to 70 centimeter, okay. Now L is equal to 70, okay. Now again come to the diagram here. This is 56 centimeter, this is 70 centimeter, okay, and we have to find this H. Here we can apply Pythagoras theorem because this is right angle, okay. Since this is the height, so that is always perpendicular with the base. Now we will apply Pythagoras theorem to find this H. Here, according to Pythagoras theorem, here L square is equal to, that is hypotenuse, equal to H square plus base square, this is R square, okay. Now on here L is 70 square is equal to H square plus 56 square, okay. Now we will solve. H square is equal to 70 square minus 56 square. Now H is equal to under square root. Okay, 70, this will become 4900 minus 56 into 56 will become 3136. Okay, now h is equal to 1764 under square root of this. On solving this, we will find that this is equal to 42. Okay, how we will solve this? We will find the factor of this 1764 like this. 2 6 8 4 again 2 4 here will be 8. Okay, 8 8 4 here will be 4 4 1. Oh, sorry. Now by 3 we can factorize it. This will become 1 4 7 again by 3 it will become 49 again by 7 it will become 7. Now we see all the digits are in 2 form. Okay, this 2, this and this, so we can write this as 2 into 3 into 7. This is equal to 42. Okay, so on solving this we got 42. H is 42 centimeter. Okay, I have solved this under square root. How to solve this? All the digits are in 2. Okay, so we can bring one digit outside. So on solving this we will find yes, this is become 42 centimeter. Okay, now the h is equal to 42 centimeter here. This is the height of the cone. So friends, let's revise again. In the question it is given the curved surface area of right circular cone is 12,320 centimeter square and radius is given 56 centimeter. We have to find the height. Okay, so curved surface area of cone, the formula is pi r l. This l indicates this slant height, and we have to find this vertical height. Okay, so 12,320 is equal to 22 by 7 into 56. R is given 56 into L. This is the slant height. We have to find the slant height. So on solving this, we got slant height L is equal to 70 centimeter. Okay. Now we will imply Pythagoras theorem to find the height. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of other two sides. Okay, according to the Pythagoras theorem I have applied here, L square is equal to h square plus r square. H we have to find. L is 70 centimeter. 70 square is equal to h square plus 56 square. On solving this, we find that h is equal to 42 centimeters. Okay, I have also given how to find the square root of this by finding factorization. Friends, if you have any doubt or question or any suggestion, please write in the comment box. I will read them and surely reply. If you like the video, press the like button and share among your friends. Thank you for watching the video.